All right. Next is the sales tools. Very quickly, a couple of sales tools we use. Email is one. Now, these can be primary tools. These can be secondary tools. For example, many people do selling over email. That is a primary tool. They don't talk to the customers. That's primary tool is email. But others, like for example, Shrikant, I don't think so email is a primary tool. Primary tool is call or face-to-face meeting. Correct? Call and face-to-face meeting is the primary tool. Email is the secondary tool because sometimes sending proposal, sending follow-ups, we use presentation and those kind of things, we use email. So some of the tools we use is email, telecalling, LinkedIn social media, or any other social media like Facebook. CRM is what we use to track our leads, and face-to-face meeting. So these are some of the sales tools that we use. There are others also, many we use, but these are the basics ones to start with. Now, for all those people who are using email as your primary tool of selling, get away with it. Your primary tool of selling is either face-to-face or phone or Zoom. If you really are in this business to make money, close deals faster, close more deals, that can only be done with talking to the customer. On email, you will only get sales which are self-interested. But those customers who are indecisive, those who doesn't know what is good about your product and what is not good about competition product, they will not come to you. They will think your products are looking same. They are offering it in less price. Why not go there? And since you are not talking to them, they will not share their concern with you. And if they don't share their concern with you, you will not be able to address those concerns. And if you don't address those concerns, money doesn't come into account. Simple. And we don't make money. So remember this, primary tool should be either face-to-face, Zoom meetings, or telecalling.